What's up everybody, Seth K Bani here. I want to show you the sky replacement option in Photoshop. Let's step into Photoshop. Now you can see we have this particular beautiful landscape photo and let's duplicate it. I like to duplicate my work and then I'm going to mute this one and make it invisible. And with this particular one selected, guys, let's go to edit menu and then let's go and find sky replacement. And we can just look at it like that. You can see it's trying to process it. It's going to take away the clouds and then the sky and replace it with a generic one inside Photoshop. Let's wait for it. So you can see it just replaced it for us. And you have all these options, guys, to choose from. You can refine the edge, you can fade the edges, you can click on sky adjustment, foreground adjustment. Let's just show you all these stuff. Okay, you can do all these stuff to it. Now you can do anything. When you're done with it, you just click on new layers and then you create. Once you click on new layers, it's going to save it on a new layer for you. But then let's say we are not happy with this particular sky, we want more options. You can click on this particular drop down arrow. It's going to give you different folders with different clouds there. And if you want to bring in your own cloud, you can click on this plus icon and then go and then locate a cloud that perhaps you have downloaded and click on it and then import it in there too. Let's cancel it. You can even create a folder for all the clouds that you want. You can click this, select this, and then click on the folder to actually group them into a folder. It's quite interesting. Now let's just say I want a blue sky. I don't want any interesting cinematic sky. I just want an ordinary blue sky. Maybe I didn't find the one I'm looking for. I'll close it. And spectacular. Alright, so let's go for a sky within the spectacular. I want this one. When I click on it, it will start processing and it will replace it nicely. And I could just click around it and click on new layers, remember, and then click on OK. And then let's just watch what it does to it. It just replaced it nicely for us. So guys, you can see this is the original one we had. Now once we bring it in there, this is the one we just created, and it groups everything in a layer and a group for you. Perfect. So guys, this is how you do it. It's quite simple. And if you love this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. There are more videos coming up. I don't want you to miss out on any of them. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.